Alright folks, welcome back. Today we're going to install a flywheel weight to a 2024 YZ250 and add a fancy dancy cover to it. You'll need an 8, 16, and 17 millimeter socket, a ratchet, torque wrench, impact gun, Phillips head screwdriver, and an oil filter wrench. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, take the hardware out of your stator cover. If your stator cover gets stuck, just give her a little bit of a love tap with the end of the screwdriver to break her free. Voila. Now with your 17 millimeter and your impact gun, give her some reverse ugga-duggas to loosen the bolt. I'm going to be doing a lot of trail riding, so I decided to go with an 11-ounce flywheel weight. Now this weight came with a special 16 millimeter nut, and you're supposed to use some blue medium strength thread locker when you're putting it on. I obviously didn't show it, but do as I say and not as I do. I half-heartedly tightened the nut with a few light ugga-duggas. Now I had Dr. Sack help hold that flywheel down with the oil filter wrench while I torqued it to 42 foot-pounds. This GYTR cover came with 8 millimeter head bolts. Screw them Phillips heads. Lay that new gasket down, put the cover on, and get to bolting that thing right up. So from what I read, you're supposed to torque these 8 millimeter head bolts to 90 inch-pounds in a crisscross pattern. I don't have a small enough torque wrench, so I've just figured tight's tight, too tight's broke. Dr. Sack says hello. It's a nice touch to the bike. Be sure to check us out at dustpowersports.com. Thanks for watching.